Hello everyone, welcome to Apti Plus Academy for Civil Services, and I welcome you all to a new learning series via News in Focus. And today's topic of discussion is criteria for the recognitions of national political parties. As you have come across the news that the Aam Aadmi Party has recently been recognized as a national political party. So in that context, some of the important thing you must know that will be relevant for the examination also. So without any further ado, let's get started. So, Election Commission of India has recently recognized the Aam Aadmi Party as a national party, right? And what is national party? National party is a one that has a presence as opposed to the regional party whose presence is restricted to nationally and particularly state or a region, right? So Aam Aadmi Party has been recently recognized as the national party because of the criteria that actually has fulfilled. Now, what are the criteria to become a national party or a regional party? I'll tell you all the things in an infographic. So how does the recognition is given by the Election Commission? They are set criteria and standard to be a national party and a party to be acclaimed of a national status. Vote in Lok Sabha should be there, right? So vote in Lok Sabha, the state poll. A party should secure at least 6% of the vote polled in 4 or more state, right? That is 6% of the vote in 4 or more states in Lok Sabha assemblies or the assemblies. And even additional to that, at least 4 members in the Lok Sabha. So this is the first criteria. And the seat in Lok Sabha, it should have at least 2% of the total Lok Sabha seats and have a candidate from not less than 3 states. So this is the other criteria. And it must be a state party and it is recognized in the state, at least in the 4 states where it has to be recognized as a state party. Then only a national party stature can be claimed. Now for state tax, the votes in the assembly polls, the state party must get at least 6% of the vote and win at least 2 seats in the assembly election. This is the criteria. And 1 MP must be there in Lok Sabha to get at least 6% of the vote that is polled and has at least 1 MP in the Lok Sabha. So this is the second criteria that has to be fulfilled. You can go by one. Now for assembly seats, it has at least 3% of the votes or 3 MLA in assembly, whichever is more. If these criteria are fulfilled, the state tax or the regional party tax can be accompanied to the particular party. Now, strength in the house will be like the party has less than 1 member for every 25 assemblies member or any fraction thereof, which is allotted to the states. And performance in the past poll is also taken into consideration, which include that it has at least 8% of the total valid votes polled in the state in the previous elections to the Lok Sabha or assembly in the states, right? So these are the 2 standard criteria both for the national party as well as for the regional party. Now, what are the perks that is given to a national party? It has a common party symbol across the state, free airtime during the elections on public broadcastings, and space for party office in New Delhi. So these are some of the important benefits that can be claimed by a national party. Now, how does the Aam Aadmi Party, which has recently been recognized as a national party, fit into this scheme? What is the performance of this party? So it has big majorities in the states of Delhi and Punjab. And in Goa Assembly in March, which was held last year, it has received 6.77% of the vote, which means that going by the Gujarat and Himachal elections, towards the end of 2022, the party has already fulfilled the criteria for recognizing as the state party in 3 states. So the recognition has been given in 3 states, and then 6% of the total vote in the assembly elections in either Himachal Pradesh or Gujarat to be recognized at the 4 states, which would qualify for the recognition of the national party. So 4 state recognition is a mandatory to get a national party status. Now, revoking status for national party. This is there in the news, so you must know. Apart from the status which is given to Aam Aadmi Party, some of the regional party has also revoked their status from national party to a regional party. उसमें कुछ states की अगर बात, कुछ regional parties की अगर बात करें, election commissions ने कुछ parties की status को cancel भी किया. That the party include which the national status has been reduced is All India Trinamool Congress, Nationalist Congress Party, and the Communist Party of India. The Commission has also revoked the state party status granted to RLD in Uttar Pradesh, BRS in Andhra Pradesh, PDN in Manipur, PMK in Puducherry, and RSP in West Bengal, and MPC in Mizoram. So these are the regional parties where the status has also been reduced up, right? So for you as an aspirant, something important is that how the eligibility criteria is fulfilled. There can be a direct objective question in the prelims examination also. Hope you like this video. And if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe Apti Plus Academy for Civil Services on YouTube. If you like this video, if you find this video informative and helpful, do give us up a thumbs up. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this.